palettes that I have. Ooh, there's a fly. Hello, hello. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup, well, my eye makeup, with a new palette. I got this Do Not Disturb palette from BH Cosmetics. I said I wasn't going to buy any of these, I don't think, in like my first anti-haul video, like my actual anti-haul, not the palette bingo, but I won this, and so that video was up yesterday. So if you want to see what I won, go click on the video link here. But yes, I won this, and I think this is the one I would have like actually chosen for myself. This is what it looks like on the inside. Super pretty. I love purples. And yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using today. I think I'm actually gonna use the blues, even though I like the purples. See that? this, and this. Maybe this one for like my inner corner. I don't know, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I haven't even touched this yet. I haven't touched any of them yet. And I actually got two things. I got a giveaway bundle from BH Cosmetics, and then also from Third Love. So again, if you want to see that, I'm going to have a video linked up here and down below. Okay, but first, I've already done my face. I've already primed my eyes. I have very hooded eyes, so how am I going to do this? I'm going to start, I think, with just the lightest, called Silent Mode. That blue in the middle. This is one of the ones I bought because of Annette. This is a Sigma Blending E25. Yeah, this picks up really well on the brush. We will see how this works out. Wow. That was just one dip. One more time. Let's see how it deepens up. Very nice pigmentation. And now I'm going to go into Personal Space, the darker blue, and just seeing what this does to deepen this color on my eyelid. Also, my other eyelid reverted. It's smaller again. Oh well. This is definitely a very nice color. Very nice colors, rather. Pigmentation is great. Oh, I sort of pre-gamed my eyes as well. I put some eyeliner on first. Okay, I'm gonna just hit one more time in there. See what happens. It's nice. Ooh, I think that's a duochrome. I'm just gonna take the same brush, I already wiped it off. I'm just gonna go on top, see what it does. So I had used on hold, but now I'm gonna use on me time. Oh, I don't know, but it sure is pretty. Wow. I don't even know if you can see that on camera. I'm not using my laptop to look. Ooh, it is super pretty though. I'm gonna grab this small brush and we're gonna use Getting Lost in My Inner Corner. See how this looks. Okay, yeah, that matches. That goes very well with that. Cool. Okay, actually, I'm going to finish my lower lash line first, and then I will be right back. But let me grab this. So I'm going to grab a little more of that Personal Space, the dark blue. And then I'm going to take that purple, actually. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to put it in the inner area. Ooh. I like it. Okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty. Okay, so anyways, this is my completed look with the Do Not Disturb palette. Actually, I really like it. I really like the colors. Of course, this is not a review. This is just like a basic first impression, but I did use 5 of the colors, which is actually good considering it's a 9-pan palette. The only thing I can say is this, what is this? The Getting Lost color. Super, super soft, and I didn't even dig my little brush into it for the inner corners, and I don't know if you can see it in the pan, but it was so not so crumbly, but just soft, and so like, wow. The other ones though were not like that. They were very pigmented, had very little fallout, which is fantastic. I did use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I did use my other Potion Project pan stuff, hashtag Potion Project pan. I will have it linked up in the corner as well if you're interested to see what else I have used on my face. But yeah, so I definitely plan on using this more. I really liked the formula so far. Again, not a review, first impression. But yeah, and I'm so excited to dig into these other new palettes that I have. Oh, there's a fly. Yes, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget I'm a daily uploader because I'm a crazy ass. And I will see you tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.